Interior, making you look forward to tomorrow. The amazing project starts now. This is the office where a wall was constructed using the system interior construction method. First of all, the panel constituting the wall is disassembled. The molding plugged in the runner home is detached. The stud, which is the vertical wall inside the wall, is detached. At the same time, the panel on the other side is detached. The horizontal reinforcement bar on the stud, which was installed to add solidity to the wall, is also detached. The solid framework can be easily disassembled with the electric driver. There is no harmful dust or loud noises. Lastly, the runner, which was fixed up and down, is detached. The wall is gone like magic, within less than 15 minutes. Another amazing feature is that the disassembled structural frame or panel is reusable. System Interior, transcending common sense. Who is M will be there.